You can virtually kiss bloating and inflammation goodbye with the gelatin trick. Let me explain. This simple hack has been a game changer for people who have struggled with puffy faces and uncomfortable digestion. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to soothe and heal your gut, which in turn reduces inflammation and calms bloating. My friend, who's tried every remedy under the sun, swears by the gelatin trick for waking up feeling refreshed and light. She adds a spoonful of gelatin to her morning drink, and within days, she noticed a significant reduction in her bloating. It's amazing how something as basic as gelatin can have such a profound impact on our overall well-being. The gelatin trick is not just about alleviating symptoms. It's about addressing the root cause of inflammation and promoting long-term health. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, check out the link in the description below, where you'll find a detailed walkthrough. For a personal perspective on how the gelatin trick has worked for others, take a look at the pinned comment below, filled with stories of people who have found relief from bloating and inflammation using the gelatin trick.